Welcome back guys to the channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and for today guys we got this 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer. So and for today guys we are going to replace or remove the air filter for this car. So without further ado guys, let's get started. So guys, before we start, please subscribe this channel guys, support it, don't skip ads as a support for this channel. And like I said guys, I will give you at least 2 car repair videos for every single car that I will be bringing here in my garage. And for this time guys, I got this 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer. So let's go back guys to the video and let's remove the air filter for this car. So guys, in removing the air filter for this car, it's very simple guys. Just remove those 2 clips right there on the top, and that's pretty much it. So I will be showing it to you guys. So guys, these are the 2 clips that I'm talking about. Just unclip it and then push this a little bit, and that's the air filter. And as you can see guys, it's very dirty, so it's really important guys to always change your air filter. So I know it's very simple guys, but it's very important, especially for your car maintenance. So guys, this is just a quick video for this 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer. And please guys, check out my future videos for this 2007 Mitsubishi Lancer. I will be doing also some car repair videos for this car, so check that out. So guys, if you have any question, any suggestion, please comment down below. And guys, please subscribe this channel, don't skip ads as a support for this channel. And I hope you enjoy this video, this quick video guys. So that's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.